Cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, always cooking in the kitchen.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. We are here ready to bake for you. Good morning. I'm Jodi Edstrom, the Library Director for Carver County.
And I'm Morgan, Jodi's best cooking partner, and I'm now a middle schooler.
Now a middle schooler. Oh my goodness. Time flies, and it's been a really busy summer for us so far.
Definitely.
So we're glad to just take a few moments and spend some time with you all here this morning. And we're looking forward to featuring a new recipe from one of the newer cookbooks that's in the library's collection.
Yes, and this is Taste of Home, Kids Can Cook. And if you're like me, I love to cook at home, maybe with my friends or anything. These are super easy recipes that you can follow at home.
Yes, and you know what I love about this book? Well, I always love when they have beautiful photography featured with each recipe. So it's really colorful. And these are such easy, family-friendly recipes.
And they look really good. So,
and all across the board, there's like dinner ideas, desserts, snacks, I mean, you name it. So lots of options. And we've been getting a lot of other great cookbooks into the collection.
Yeah. So
be sure to stop in and check one out.
Yes, definitely.
What else is happening at the library during the summer?
Well, the Kids Summer Reading Program is one of the big ones. Personally, I love to read, and so I definitely follow along with this to see what cool and fun prizes you can get while reading during the summer.
Absolutely, and there's still time. It goes through the middle of August, so be sure that you, if you haven't done so, stop in and find out all the great info and how you can participate.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, we're going to get started. What do you think?
Yes, definitely.
Do you want to tell them what we're making today?
Yes. So we are making chocolate chip dip. And this recipe can be super easy. You can do it at a pool party, a picnic, or just a fun summer day. And this recipe doesn't allow oven or any like heated things except the microwave if you want to soften your butter. But yeah.
You don't even have to use a mixer. I mean, you can. Sorry.
Yeah, but we are going to today. But you don't have to. And then you can pair with it strawberries or like graham crackers.
Or apples might be another fun option. So I think it's a really flexible recipe, and there's some other add-ins or stir-ins that you can do if you want. But we're going to keep right to the recipe today.
Yes, but a cool thing I would add to it is like mini M&Ms or other chocolatey goodnesses like that.
Definitely. Can't have enough chocolate, right?
I
know. Okay, so let's get started.
Oh, and look like we have our friend here, Duke. He's super excited about this recipe today, but he cannot have this one.
No, he cannot. Definitely no chocolate for the pup.
Yes.
All right, do you want to walk us through where we start?
Yes, we're going to have... Get down. You're going to first need one package of cream cheese. Should be softened. It also has 8 ounces of cream cheese. And we're just going to add this right in there.
I'm going to give Duke another treat over here.
Okay.
So you go ahead and you start walking us through.
Okay, so again, you can soften this by just leaving it out. We just left it out, so it's easy and nice. Mom, I can't open this. Can you please open it?
Yeah. All right, so and I left this out for about an hour ahead to get it nice and soft. Oh goodness, what is going on
Can I
here?
grab scissors?
We might have to. Let me try the other end. Oh, I got it. All right, so go ahead and plop that in there.
Right in there.
And I'll take that, and then what's next?
Next, we're gonna need a half a cup of softened butter, and you can microwave this on like medium power level for about like 25 seconds, something in there. And is this softened?
Yep, it's ready to go.
Yes,
So
okay.
that is a full stick of butter, right?
Yes, that is a full stick of butter, also a half a cup.
Awesome.
And then next, you're gonna need 3/4 cup of, powdered sugar. It says confectioner's
Yes.
sugar,
Yep.
but powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar. All right. Do you want to hold the cup and I'll pour it in?
Yes.
Three-quarter cup? Yep. Oh. All right. How's that? That's good?
All right.
Okay, so we'll do that. What happens next, or what comes next? Sorry.
Next, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
All right.
Tablespoon.
Cooking together is so much fun, cooking and baking, but you learn a lot too.
Yes, like the measurement can help with math skills. I know we worked on fractions this past year a lot, and this can come in handy.
Absolutely, looks great. And it comes, obviously, you're working on your reading skills.
Mm-hmm.
There's, depending upon the recipe, there's science involved.
Yes.
So not only are we having fun and we get to eat goodies, but we're learning at the same time.
Yes.
Okay,
and
what's next?
Next, you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Mm-hmm. It's gonna smell good and taste good.
Perfect.
Wonderful. Then I think we're gonna mix, right?
Yes. So again, we're using a hand mixer. You can obviously just use a spatula or something like that.
Yep, or if you have a big standing mixer, you can do that too if you need to walk away for a little bit.
Should we
Go
start
for it. Yep. Maybe a little bit. I was like, uh-oh, did our mixer just conk out on us? Hopefully not. Looking great. And you just want to mix it until
it's all mixed in, I guess. I mean, until it looks smooth and silky. And really how the texture you want. You don't have to make it like ours, but it's really up to you.
ooh, it almost looks like cookie dough, kind of.
Yes, it does. And
Yum.
I'm going to scrape off the sides with this spatula.
Yep, that's a great idea. Make sure you get all those ingredients mixed in there. And Duke's back to join us. Hi, buddy. He just wants to be wherever there's food.
Yes.
Oh, I got it.
Thank you.
No worries.
And lucky for us, we had most of all the ingredients at home, so it's super easy and super just on the go if you need it. And it's about like a 15-minute, 10-minute recipe. It's super easy.
Super fast. Because obviously you're going to need to keep it refrigerated, but before you enjoy it, like if you prepare it ahead of time, you probably want to let it sit out a little while so that it softens up a little bit.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. I'll take care of Duke here. You're doing great. What do you think? Is it looking pretty good?
Yeah, I think a little bit more.
Okay.
Mom, is there anything else going on at the library right now?
Well, there's still just a lot of great programs, and story time's always happening. Fun programs for adults, learning, reading, music, crafts. So you just, if you haven't stopped in recently or haven't been on our website, check it out and see what's happening. And we always have a staff member ready to help you out or answer questions. We'll be out at the Carver County Fair with a booth too. So if you happen to be out at the fair, stop and visit us. Who knows, maybe even Morgs and I will get out there and make an appearance as well. So we look forward to seeing people and visiting for sure.
Yes.
That looks awesome.
Yes, and if you're someone in your house that can lick the beaters, this one you can, right?
Yes, this one you can. Here, come back over. So you're off screen.
I'm off screen there.
That's okay. So, what's the last ingredient we're gonna add today?
We're gonna add 1 cup of miniature semi-sweets chocolate chips, and you can really add whatever chocolate chips you want, or again mini M&Ms or things like that, but we just decided on what the recipe said.
Yeah, some of the things they said, you can do chopped pecans or pistachios, you can do butterscotch chips, toffee bits, or mini M&Ms like you already said. So lots of options. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna do a big cup. How's that? Mmm. Can I try some?
Yeah.
They're so tiny. They're adorable.
I know. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Go for it.
Whoa.
And then, how are you gonna mix these in?
With this, maybe?
Yep. Because you don't want to, I don't know, mush them up with the mixer, I guess.
Yeah, you don't want to make little tiny guys. And with this one, you can probably get more chocolate chips in every bite because you can add as many or as little as you want. I mean, for us, there's never too much chocolate.
I would have to agree with that. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to try this.
Same. I think it looks pretty good to me. What do you think?
I think it looks amazing. And it'd be fun, you could do it, like, we're not gonna plate it all fancy. Hi bud, you can't have that. But you could do a cute, like, tray.
Yeah, it has like a little bowl with a tray in the picture.
Do you wanna show them the dip?
Yes.
All right, take a
So
look.
this is what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. And we can grab our graham crackers right here and then,
You want a strawberry?
yes, I want to try strawberry.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right. I'll have to keep Duke out of the way here. Oh, buddy.
Cute.
This is not for you. Okay, come here, bud. Sorry.
Carrie.
Okay, can I try some? Oh my gosh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
I think it is.
Mm-hmm. With some fruity and sweet. Mm.
Mm. And those tiny little chocolate chips,
Mm-hmm.
those are the ticket. So delicious. And what an easy, sweet treat.
For a summer day, especially with a refreshing strawberry.
Yeah, I bet you
could do like blackberries, like raspberries.
bananas, like anything. Would have to have a little, well, I think it would work with anything. You could have a whole tray of fruit with that, would be so good. I'm trying to hang on to Duke.
And then, should we try our graham crackers?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, I think I got cream cheese in my beard. Sorry, buddy. I know how.
Here.
Thank you. You want to split that or?
Yeah, we can split it.
Oh, cute.
Okay.
Well, actually, and they did suggest, I couldn't find them, but graham cracker sticks.
Like the wafer kind.
Oh, well, he just ate a graham cracker. Oh my goodness. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh boy.
Oh
boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Well, on that note,
We're so happy you could join us today, and we'll see you on the next one.
see you next time on Cooking in the Kitchen, wherever we are.
Yes.
Have a great day. Stop in at the library soon and see us. Bye.
Bye.